Welcome to part 6 of how to set up your Haas robot package. I'm Corey Sullivan, and in this video, we'll learn how to use the Run Job and APL Scheduler tabs to run our jobs. The first thing you will see at the top of the Run Job tab is the name of your job. If any modifications have been made to your job since the last time you saved, the name will be displayed in red and have 2 asterisks at the end. To save your job, type in the name you want to give your job, then press F3. A pop-up will open, allowing you to select the directory you want to save your job in. You can also quick save the current job by pressing Insert to turn on APL mode. Once your job has been saved, you will see the name of your job turn black and the asterisk removed. To clear everything and start a new job, press F2 while on the Run Job tab. To load a different job, press F4 while on the Run Job tab. A pop-up will open, allowing you to select the job you want to load. Pressing Undo while on the Run Job tab will move the robot to the above table location recorded on the Load Part tab. Use this to move the robot back to a safe position if you get stuck, or if you just want to return the robot to a known location. Press Insert while on the Run Job tab to turn on APL mode. When APL mode is off, pressing Cycle Start will run your part program without robotic automation. Turn APL mode on, and the robot will load parts into your machine and unload them when they are finished. You can tell you are in APL mode by the blue watermark displayed behind your part program. The first 4 rows will show the current part being machined, next part to be machined, number of completed parts, and total number of parts to be machined. Before starting a job, you can input a number on the current part row to start your job from that part number. To start your job from the beginning, enter 0 on the current part row. The next part row is for display only and displays the next part to be machined. The completed parts row displays the number of parts that have been machined. This counter will keep going if the job is run multiple times in a row. To reset this counter, highlight the completed parts row and press Origin. Total parts displays the total number of parts to run for the current job. It will default to the number of rows multiplied by the number of columns on the Template tab. You can enter a different number here to change the amount of parts you want to machine. The Rapid Override row allows you to set a rapid override for the robot only. This allows you to run your robot at a slower speed while your part program runs at 100% rapids. The Current State row is for display only and, like its name implies, shows the state the robot is currently in. The Program row allows you to assign a part program to a robot job. This means that when you are in memory mode and APL mode, then press Cycle Start, your robot job will always load and use this part program. When Cycle Start is pressed and this row is left blank, the part program that is currently selected in memory mode will run with this job. If Part Flip is enabled, there will be rows for Program 1 and Program 2. Program 1 will be the part program for the first operation, and Program 2 will be the program for the second operation after the part has been flipped. A program will need to be set to run your job in the APL Scheduler mode. That covers everything on the Run Job tab. Now let's head over to the APL Scheduler tab so we can schedule multiple jobs to run in sequence. To begin scheduling jobs, press F3 to add a row. Arrow over to the Job Name column and press Enter to select the job you want to schedule. Then assign each job a number in the Order column to set the order your jobs will run in. When you assign a job an order number, it will automatically change its status to scheduled. You can change the status of a job to unscheduled or completed by highlighting the status column and pressing Enter. When you have your job scheduled, press Insert to turn on Scheduler mode. The word Scheduler mode will appear watermarked behind your part program in green. With Scheduler mode turned on, the robot and machine will run the first job to completion, then run the second job, then the third, and so on. That's it for the Run Job and APL Scheduler tabs. Make sure you watch the next video where I'll teach you how to use custom sequence type.